Y'all see that? Yup, I am a Raider fan, and that is why I am very excited to be reviewing, unboxing these specific shoes right here, the Nike Air Jordan 1 Shadow 2.0, right after this. What is good, YouTube family? Welcome back to the channel. If you didn't know by now, my name is Josh, also known as OOSKicks. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button, turn on the notifications, and smash that like button because you know it helps out your boy in the YouTube algorithm. All right. You guys know what we do on this channel. We do our very best to get the early pairs so that we can review it. We can probably anticipate what the resale value is going to be and how crazy the release is going to do. So today, as we said in the introduction, we are reviewing the Nike Air Jordan 1 Shadow 2.0s. And I'm very excited about this because I said I am a Raider fan. This is reminiscent straight of the Raider vibes, and I'm gonna probably say I like these better than the 1.0s, but we will get right into that. But let's go do what we usually do. We like to talk about the tag, let you know what the MSRP is gonna be, and also kind of understand exactly how the resale, how the release is gonna go, especially since we've seen so many things that have happened recently. On the tag, I'll give you guys a little sneak peek before I go off and read it. Hopefully that can zoom in properly. We have the Air Jordan 1 Retro High OG, black, light smoke gray, white, MSRP of $170, just like every Air Jordan 1s. What I like to do here is I like to open this box and just kind of get my first-hand review in terms of what I feel about it and kind of if I'm gonna rock or I'm gonna cop. So comment down below right when you see this and let me know what y'all think. We're gonna open up this box, pop it open. I love that, like that packaging, just like when it comes out. And we're gonna flip it open. Let's see what we're working with today. Okay. Yep. Yeah, these, I'm not gonna say, you know, the usual saying, these are gonna be a problem. No, I don't think they're gonna be a problem. I think these are gonna be very slept on just because of the colorway specifically. I think definitely these are gonna be on a lot of people's radars in terms of wearability, the type of color scheme that they utilize, the color blocking. We're gonna talk about the material. I'm looking straight onto it right now, and I'm I would say that I'm okay with this material, especially what they use around the gray portion. You have this black leather that they utilize here right next to the swoosh, and then you have that nubuck type. It's not suede, so we can go into it and just kind of touch it up to see exactly what we're dealing with. It goes and moves. I'm gonna say this is a nubuck. I don't think that this would be a suede. Yeah, it overlays this, and then you have that black leather. We're gonna go into it. What do you guys think of this shoe? Just first glance. I'm probably gonna end up putting these on foot and showing exactly how I would style these on my Instagram. So if you haven't already, follow us on our Instagram because we just hit 11K, and that's crazy for us, man. So you know, it's blessings on blessings, and we just love shoes, and that's just what we do on this channel, on this on everything else. Definitely one for the books. You know me, I'm very simplistic. I have those like natural black and white colorways. I will rock anything that can make sure it stands out either with my outfit or just with the shoes or accessories, the hats, anything else. But I also think there's gonna be a lot of people like the OGs that love rocking this color, especially them Raider fans. I'm telling you. We have the iconic nubuck right here. We have the black, and then you have that gray swoosh. And then on the tongue, so you have that, you know, the mesh tongue that they usually utilize. And then you got that hit that I love so much that Nike does so damn well. Nike Air, it's in that gray, and then you have the black embroidered. What am I gonna say about the quality? On the pair that I have, would I say that the glue stains are too bad? No, I wouldn't say so. I think they did a good job in terms of this pair. This pair is a OG box, so no, it's not an early pair. I don't think the resale is gonna be too high, but I think it's gonna hold its value in terms of where it's gonna be. It's not gonna be as hyped as the Hyper Royals or anything else, but I think the biggest topic that we have to talk about is, are these better than the 1.0s? 1.0s were slept on. I'm gonna tell you a little backstory. I still remember I would go to my mall and I knew should I snake? I'm gonna snake myself out. I knew a friend of a friend that worked at one of these shoe stores, and they did $30 confirmed reservations, and I think it still happens to this day. But I remember doing that with the Shadow ones. I held them for like a year and a half. They did not go up, And man, if you guys look right here, these are the Shadow 1.0s, and this is a price on StockX. They have rows because you can't really find OG pairs like this dead stock, and I think this may be a sleeper. These ones speak for itself. I don't know if I would go with the black laces. I would probably keep them black, or maybe even like maybe a cream, like every other basic dude that utilizes cream, but I think I would try doing that, see how it's gonna play out. Yeah, overall, as a Raider fan, I love these shoes. As a guy that loves simple vibes, I love these shoes. I'm definitely gonna be keeping one for the personal. Don't tell my wife that. Definitely think that I would rock these over any of the other Jordan ones that I recently picked up. Let me know what you guys think. I definitely think that I wanted to show you guys before you guys copped. If you guys are lucky to get them for retail, please continue to stock these up if you're getting them for $170 plus tax. If not, I would probably just try to wait and see how that market plays out as a reseller. Let's see, let's talk about apps today. So it is 5 days, but I didn't talk about this. These release on May 15th on sneakers and on foot sites. I don't know how foot sites are gonna be in terms of all their different releases. Let's talk resale. So as of right now, I remember prices were going for about like 400 to 420. I've heard they dropped, and I'm wondering it's because there's going to be a lot of stock on them. Let's see. Oh yeah, they dropped heavy. Yeah, these are going for like, this size 10.5 is going for like 280. I don't think it's gonna be, I think these are gonna be at least a $350 shoe in no time. If you guys agree with me, comment down below. Let me know what you guys think, but definitely think that these are gonna be staying in the personal. I probably would rock these with the Raider hat and probably the Raider jersey. That's probably too much. If you guys gonna be copping, it's a copper drop for you. And yeah, man, I love these vibes. So you're gonna see me with these on feet a bunch of times on my Instagrams. I think we're gonna leave it at that. It's gonna be very short for this week. No mystery boxes, but we'll have a banger for y'all next week. And it's gonna be with one of my, I've watched this dude on YouTube for a long time. So being able to cop a mystery box from him and do it on Instagram or on YouTube is gonna be dope. Let me know what you guys think. You guys gonna cop these? If not, are you gonna try to resell them if you're gonna try to cop for retail? As always, y'all, I appreciate y'all. Thank you so much for the support. We are still on the road to 900. Then we're gonna hit that 1K mark. Until then, y'all, love y'all, appreciate y'all, and always remember, stay in stock without a stock kicks. Peace!